Here at Product Creation Formula, we create content twice a week so we can give you product creation tips and tricks to help you keep pumping out products quickly and easily. We also do the occasional product review, as well as show you how you can make money online. So keep watching to the end of the video so as you can get a bonus tip. And remember to subscribe and press that bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next part. Alright, now in this video we're going to be talking about creating calendars so that you can sell them online. You might be thinking, wow, I never considered that. Or you might be going, yeah, that's a great idea. But how do I go about doing it? It's a really simple thing, especially when you consider the fact that Microsoft Office 365 has it as a template. And it is a wonderful thing. So allow me to just click off this. I have just saved it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up another tab. I'm going to open this up. Now all we need to do is go over here to where it says more templates if you don't already have it there. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to scroll down to where the search bar just here. And I'm going to type in the term calendar. And then hit enter. Now it's going to give me a list of various calendars, and the one I spotted before was this one here, and all I did was just click on that and I hit create. Now what's going to happen is it's going to bring up a separate box like this. I have two monitors going, which is why this is it here like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this and I'm going to take this over to December. In fact, I might even take this over to January. See, now I already have a December created. I'm going to create this as January, and I'm going to be making that 2021. So all I have to do is click on that and make that 2021 and hit OK. Now it's going to open up this one here, and we just hit create. And it's now going to bring this box over here, which then tells us that if we want to be able to change the dates or anything like that, all we have to do is go to the calendar section and then select new dates, or we can shift alt and enter. So that's what I'll be most likely doing. And we're going to hit OK. Now we can, first of all, we're going to do is change the colors. The first thing I want to do is go over here to layout, or sorry, design, table design. And I'm going to click on this, and I like that black color right there. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on top of this here where the header is, and I'm going to insert a shape. So I'm going to grab a shape here. I'm now going to grab this shape right there. I'm going to take that to the very top of the calendar, and I'm going to drag that across a little bit under where the black part is. And I'm just going to line it up with that, keep it about there. If I can align that up a little bit better. There we are, line that up and try and get it as close as you can. Now I'm going to take away the outline, so that'll hopefully line that up a bit better for me. And I'm going to be making that black. And then all I have to do is click down here. Now that will end up, once you print it, will both be the same color black. Now another thing we need to do is look at changing the image. So I'm going to click on the image here, and if you're in Microsoft Office 365, you have the wonderful option of going into the insert section and going over here to pictures and going to stock images. Now it's beautiful that they have this, because we have some stock images that we can use anytime we want. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the word tiger, and this gives me all these beautiful options. Now I'm just going to say choose this one here and click on that and hit insert, and as you can see, it has put a beautiful Bengal tiger right there. Now all I have to do is type in the word beautiful Bengal tiger. I hope that's how you spell Bengal. I can always check the spelling later. And you have just created yourself a beautiful calendar. Now, something else you might want to consider doing is changing the calendar up a little bit. Maybe making it a black theme. So perhaps go something like that. And even change the color of the text to a more black text. So to do that, you just highlight over the top of it, hit that, and then hit here. Of course, you know how to do this part. You've all done it before. And that is how you change this. So you have now made a unique calendar specifically designed to you that you can now sell. Now, if you want to, you can add your name somewhere down here just to say created by with your name on it, so as you can get not only the recognition, but you can also have other people who might wish to order some more from you. You can also, of course, change the font if you wish to. Say, for example, you wish to change it to Arial Round, or you might want to go to Vedana, or maybe Arial, or you can change it to anything you want. It doesn't matter. You know, you can change it to all of these different font types. It doesn't matter. Just whatever suits your fancy. And then you can compile this. Now, what I would do right now is I will say, for example, save this one. I'm going to save this one on my desktop as January. And I'm going to even make it 2021. So we'll make that January 2021. Leaving no gaps. And then I'm going to hit save. Now, I'm going to do a little trick here. I'm going to highlight over the top of this entire calendar, scrolling all the way down to the bottom. Then I'm going to hit Control C. Now, I'm going to bring up some magic here. First of all, I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to bring up my other calendar. I'm going to bring up my December calendar, which is right here, which I've got there. I'll just get rid of this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the bottom of this calendar and hit enter till I go down there. Now that I'm there, I'm going to go Control V, because remembering we copied January last time. Now I'm going to go back up here and we have that beautiful image just there. I'm going to grab the header just here, and as you can see, it is already black and it is a lovely one. So you've now gone from December 2020 down to January 2021, and you just repeat the process time and time again until you have completely finished the calendar how you like it. Alright, that's as simple as that, and you compile it together. You then turn it into a PDF and you can sell it. In fact, this is so easy to do. You could create numerous different kinds under individual themes to create an entire package, if you wish to, of different kinds of calendars. The choice is yours. Alright, please remember to subscribe. Press the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos, as well as leave a comment down below. Question I have for you today is, how many calendars do you think you'll be able to make in a week when you know it's as easy to create as this? Alright, thanks for watching and bye for now. Bonus tip! Alright, now today's tip is about what we were just speaking about, and that was the creating calendars. Now, in this particular case, all we need to do is create a store. We can create something like a WordPress plugin store, and we can set it up in that. You can also add things like diaries, other low content products that you can create that are of value to people, and then you can sell it on places like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, all these various social media platforms where you can then go along and say, hey, this is my store, this is what I'm promoting, and this is what's in it. And if you create lots and lots of different low content products, then you have the ability to be able to create a large amount of unique personal items that you have personally created. Okay, so if you like what you're watching, please remember to subscribe. Press the bell icon, press the bell icon, as well as leave us a comment down below as to how many calendars do you think you'd be able to create in one day. All right, thanks for watching, and bye for now.